Hello class, here is summary of chapter first, understanding diversity. As we know, India is a country of diversity, so today we will discuss about this. See, here you can see drawing of three different children's and of your age. As you can see, these drawings are different than other because every person have different ideas, different thoughts. If you get chance of drawing, then it's obvious that your drawing will obviously be different than this. See, there was a story about making friends. So see, uh, this story was about two boys. Story about two boys. One sell newspaper at Janpat crossing and other cycled past from crossing. Coincidentally, the name of both boys was same. Samir was the name of both. One was Hindu and other was Muslim. And one thing more, as they meet, they talk about many things. So they became friend. So after some time, both became friend. We know it's hard to become friend with somebody who is different than you, but slowly and gradually both became friend. So this story was about these two boys in our chapter. And see, here you can see one boy is selling newspaper and other is on bicycle. So this story was about these two boys. Okay. Then see, diversity in India. India is a country of many diversities. As we know, India is a country with many diversities. We speak different languages, have various type of foods, celebrate different festivals, and practice different religions like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jainis, Buddhist. So here in India, as India is secular country, so different type of religions are practiced here. But actually, if you think about it, we do many things that are similar, except that we do them in a different ways. We can say we do many things that are different, but we do them in different way. That is only the thing. Otherwise, the things we do are similar. See, diversity in India. Look at the map of India and locate Kerala and Ladakh. Can you list the three ways in which the different geographical location of these, which Kerala and Ladakh, two regions, would influence the following? Which following? These. The food habits of the people means the food people eat, the cloth they wear, and the work they do. See, here is map of India. You can see in the north direction there is Jammu and Kashmir, and Kerala is towards the corner of India. So first we will discuss about the Ladakh. Ladakh is a desert in the mountain in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. See, very little agriculture is possible here because there is a lack of rainfall. So agriculture is not possible here, and people here keep sheep and goat. So they their lives depend on sheep and goat. And here the one famous animal also yak, and they eat meat and milk products here. Here in this picture you can see Ladakh in mountainous region, and it's a cold desert. And then here in this picture you can see one woman is weaving Pashmina shawl. So that is one thing. And then see Kerala. Kerala is a state in the southwestern corner of India, as we already discussed with the map of India, that Kerala is towards the southwest corner, and it is surrounded by sea on one side and hills on the other side. So towards the west side of Kerala, there is sea, Arabian Ocean, and then towards the east side of Kerala, there are hills. Spices that made this region an attractive place for the traders. Traders came here and they used to took spices from here. That's why this region became famous. Here in this picture you can see the Chinese Chinese fishing nets. So in Kerala, because it's near the coastal, it shares some coastline also. So the fishing is famous. And then see, there is famous boat race of Kerala. So that's how we can say these places are different. Kerala and Ladakh, the way people live, the way they talk, or their lifestyle is different. So here we can see India is in India there are so many diversities, but then also the way people live and the way they do things, united India. That's why we can say diversity. In India there are so many diversity, but there is unity also. So we can say unity in diversity. Thank you.